Hello, my name is Marco Ventura with T1V, and we're here in Amsterdam at ISE 2020, and I'm going to show you ThinkHub MultiSite Sync. So for those of you that are familiar with our ThinkHub solution, it's our full-featured visual collaboration tool that allows for teams using MultiSite to connect one location to another location. MultiSite is, you can see that both of these canvases are in a MultiSite session right now, so what we do on one location gets mirrored on the other location, and we can both be interacting on the same shared canvas. What is useful to note about MultiSite is that actually we can both be on the same canvas, but I can be on different locations on the canvas. What is some of our users have asked us to do is, what if I want to have one presenter though that actually takes control of both the canvases? So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I'm on canvas 1, and so now I'm basically being able, you can see I can control everything, and I'm effectively the leader of the group, and I can move everything on the canvas in real time, and if we go ahead, I can see that the other canvas is following me. So this is what we call MultiSite Sync. It's a very, very powerful tool that can be used. Come and check us out at ISE in Hall 14, or you can go online at t1v.com.